Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dottie with Ignite Cinemas, and today I'm going to be giving you a hack on how to quickly fix your white balance using one button in Final Cut Pro 10. So let's face it, we've all been here. You're filming and you get some footage that looks like this. Now, I didn't set my white balance. I was in a rush, in the heat of the moment, and I didn't have time to fix my white balance, and you get this ugly looking yellowish tone. I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix this in the quickest way possible using Final Cut Pro. I mean, yeah, we can sit here and color correct it ourselves, but I'm all for simplifying the process and making things as simple as possible. We're gonna highlight our clip, make sure it's highlighted that we're working on it, and we're gonna come over here where it has a magic wand, and we're gonna come down to balance color. When you get to the balance color right here on the right side, we're gonna create white balance, and we're gonna get this Doppler tool, and I know for a fact that this tablecloth was white, and boom, there we go. Now it's not perfect, but you can tell the difference right there. Like, it's a huge difference, and it actually looks better, and we could dial it in more if we wanted to, but I'm satisfied with that. So before, after, big difference. Again, I'm gonna do it again on another clip from that same day that I shot, and as you can see, I didn't color grade it, and it's yellowish and brownish and ugly looking. So again, we're gonna come over here to this tool, balance color. Now you see here it's too blue. You got too much blue going on, right? So I'm gonna come over here to white balance, and I'm gonna select something that's pure white, and I think these piano keys were white, and there we go. I can live with this. Now, one thing I do, you guys can play around with the clicks everywhere, but if something was overly exposed and had too much white, it would definitely throw off this grade. So keep that in mind. Nothing is actually washed out here. And I'm gonna hit the piano key again, and I like the way this looks. Or we could go with the plate. Let me go back. This actually works best for me. I can live with this and dial it in later. But yeah, this is a quick hack. If you need to quickly set your white balance and you don't have the time to do it yourself, or in the heat of the moment, use this hack so you can simplify your process. It's not gonna be perfect every time, but I mean, from the before and after, shoot, which one y'all going with? Which one y'all choosing? Before, after? Which one y'all going with? Let me know. All right, so if you enjoyed this quick hack, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, as well as unboxings, reviews, video business strategies, and vlogs, don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video, and as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.